we are off for apartment hunting. So let's take you there. Hey guys, welcome to our channel Travel with Sophia Jib, where we post about Canadian immigration and our life in Canada vlogs. So we are off to somebody's house. Yeah, our first stop would be in Oakville, a 2-bedroom apartment. So let's see what we get over there. And it's in central Oakville, and let's see. It is from our current home, it's like 16 minutes drive, and usually the traffic in Oakville is not that bad. So even if we work in Toronto or Mississauga, so it's not gonna be a hassle. So let's take you there. So we're outside the Oakville apartment building. The apartments are 2-bedroom. The living room is fair, like it's the size is fair enough. But the rooms, you can see they are very small. So I'm still wondering if we put the bed, which is like queen bed, where will I put the dressing table? This is the living room, which is quite a decent size. Okay. But you can bearable. The kitchen is good. Apartment hunting is not easy at all, and never been. Last year we had the same struggle. We had 2 kids, and now it's with 3 kids. And when one settles down, the other starts crying, and then the third. So, and all 3 have different needs. One is usually quiet after putting a bag of donuts in her mouth, and the other one is like, happy with something else, and the third one is still a newborn. So we are just figuring out how to keep them engaged all at the same time, so that we can do some apartment search. So we have seen around 4 or 5 apartments at by now, but we haven't really liked any of them that we can finalize. The rents have gone up, it's like crazy. For a 2-bedroom old basement apartment, they are charging $1,800 plus 30-40% utilities. So it's really crazy. Although the people, they have seized their shifting whatever, if they're extending their current contracts, but unfortunately we cannot do it because our landlord, they have their relatives coming in from 1st of April, so we have to move out. So okay, so didn't like anything so far. So now we are heading towards Toronto because we have a few places to view there, and just stopped at our favorite place on the go for shawarma, Osmos Shawarma. So we are in an apartment, 2-bedroom apartment again, in at Mississauga, near Clarkson Ghost Station. The rooms are fine. I mean, not that small. The living room is also good, but it's an old apartment, and the total rent for this apartment is $2,100, including everything. The kitchen is an old style kitchen. The appliances are new, but these cupboards, shelves, these are very old. I'm okay with the apartment if they reduce the rent a bit. As you enter, first we'll check out what's on the left. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is the living room. This is the balcony. Oh my god. And this is the kitchen. Okay, no touching. Don't touch anything. So probably this is the dining area, and this should be the drawing room, living room. Yeah. Come. Let's go. Okay, so we have a fridge. Okay, so they are old appliances but pretty much maintained. The cupboards are maintained. Okay. So Okay, so let's go in the room. Okay, so this is room 1.
So this is master bedroom.
Master bedroom. Okay. No, this is the master bedroom. Okay, so this is the closet. This is second bedroom, and this is den. This is the view from the balcony, and the view is so awesome. I'm just in love with this view. Waking up every morning to this view would be so lovely. But what we have, it's a 2-bedroom plus den apartment, and therefore the rent is even higher than the normal 2-bed apartment, and the rent is around 2,100 plus hydro, and hydro is electricity and parking. $80 for parking. Usually the hydro rent would be around $40 to $60 per month, and the rest, water and heating and AC, are included in the apartment. That's quite a big closet. Come, let's.
तो संजी और सब मेल लिखना खाली आ गया तुम खोल
Take a bite.
This is how we take a bite.
Can I eat? Can I have a bite?
Now we are in a basement, again a 2-bedroom basement apartment. The area is nice. It's closer to all the central Mississauga, and I like the size of the apartment. This is the living room. It's good size. The kitchen is also good, and this is master bedroom, and this is also huge as compared to the others that we have seen so far. And the kids' bedroom would be, it's down the hall. This is the second bedroom, which is comparatively smaller than the first that we saw. And this is the furnace, which is, I don't know why it's inside the room. So all in all, it looks decent size. So I'll tell you where we have started our search. We did it on www.kijiji.ca. I'll put the link below, and another place, Facebook Marketplace. So, and there you can go into rental, put down whatever area you want, or you can put down Greater Toronto area if you are open to living in any area, which we are at the moment, because my husband's office is at Mississauga Brampton border. So I think any place would be fine for us. So I'll put down the links below. We've taken the whatever we like. We've just noted down their phone numbers or left messages on Kijiji, and after hearing back from them, we are just going there and viewing the apartments. Now this one is, again, it's an old building. I really like the apartment. It's renovated, and basically the owners were living in this, but now they sold this apartment to someone else, and now the new owner is giving this on rent. I like this one as well, but again, the whole everything included, rent plus utilities, this apartment is around 2,100, so which is again out of budget. Hey guys, so today is apartment hunting day 5 vlog, and we are looking at apartments, 2-bedroom, in the high-rise buildings, like not that high-rise, but yes, they do have a few of them in Mississauga. So we are looking for a 2-bedroom apartment, and it comes with 1 full bath. That's it, no extra bathrooms. So the rent has gone tremendously high. Last year when we were looking for apartments, a 2-bedroom same apartment was we were getting for 1,600, 1,500 in old building, 16 to 1,700 in a little bit better building, a decent building. But now the rental market has gone crazy. The rents are the 2-bedroom apartments in a very, very old building you will get for 1920, 1930, 2000. And in a luxurious building, if you go for a luxurious or a newly renovated building, it will surely be somewhere around 2300 above. So be prepared for that. It's kind of, the rental market is very crazy, so I don't know what we'll choose, an apartment or a basement. We are trying to look for a ground level basement as well. Now we are heading towards Brampton to see a few basements there which we have lined up, showings. Now we have also taken the help of real estate agents, because guys, go for real estate agents. They will not charge you anything as a tenant, but they will charge the landlord when the deal is finalized. But so far, what we have realized about Brampton basement apartments is that the rental market for Brampton, the basement apartments, is almost same as in Mississauga. Or Toronto or Scarborough or places like these. So what I would suggest is, like, we are not looking at Brampton as eagerly, because on top of that, the car insurance also increases in Brampton. So today, so it's the end of day 5 house hunting vlog. So we have seen a number of apartments today and basements as well. But out of those, we have just finalized, like, not finalized, shortlisted, because it's still a shortlist from our side, as it totally depends on the landlords, the owners of those units, whether they will select us or they will select, even they have a shortlisting, so the shortlisting criteria. So what you do is you show them your interest, and then when they will select, they will either give you a call if you are selected, and then the whole process works from there.